Hi, my name is Saaj and I'm a Cornell engineering physics student. Early on during orientation, Cornell Engineering has this really nice major fest with sweets, and all the professors come out to talk to you. They tell you about the introductory courses, etc. I primarily wanted to do something in the energy sector, like the renewable energy sector. And what I hadn't realized prior to Cornell was that because it's so interdisciplinary here, you could have a goal and get through it through any science possible. And that excited me a lot. I took some of their classes and then I realized I liked physics a lot. Coming in, I was pretty set on the fact that I wanted to do research, but I was also painfully aware that I had no experience doing research, and it really intimidated me to go and talk to these experts in the field. That's when I realized I was only afraid of a no. That's the worst case scenario. That the faculty member says no, you have a great conversation, and the faculty member knows that you're interested. So if they do have a spot in their lab later on, they can reach out to you. So I sent out all the emails to all the professors I'd researched, and one of them replied. So the lab I work in works with transmission electron microscopy, and what that means is, if you think about light microscopy, if you have something and you shine light on it, you can see it, right? But if you put a glass in the middle, like a magnifying glass, for example, and because you have a magnifying glass, you can see it bigger. Now, you can think of the same thing, but with electrons, because what you think about is electrons is matter, but everything in the world is matter and waves. And if you think about electrons as wave, it's the same as light, just a little more physics involved, a lot more physics involved, and then you can do the same thing, and you can see something even smaller. One of the most defining moments for me at Cornell was to actually see electrons behave like a wave. I've studied it in classes, read from textbooks. Professors had told me till then that electrons are waves, you can do stuff with it, but I had never seen proof, experimental proof. I just knew it was. And this was my first summer. I was working with a postdoc. He tuned the microscope, everything, and then he switched it on. And I could see this pattern that proved definitively that electrons were waves. And I don't know why, I just got so excited because these were just green spots. But it meant so much to me. And I got really excited. I took a bunch of pictures. The postdoc was oh my God, yes, I forgot how it feels to see it for the first time. And I was just oh my God, I get to work with something like this throughout my career at Cornell. And that got me very excited. It blew my mind that I was surrounded by cutting edge equipment that could probe so deeply, and it was very exciting. There were just so many machines and so many people who know how to operate the machines. They're all involved in such great science. Our motto is pushing the boundaries, and till then it was just a saying, but I realized that you could be pushing the boundaries with all of this great infrastructure around you.